no sales. We're out driving our 83 Chevy C10 4-wheel drive shortbox. Got a 350 4-speed in it. See, we're going about 50 miles an hour. That's probably about 55, I'm guessing, because it's got 20-inch tires on it. So, got about a 20 mile an hour wind today, so the cab's actually pretty tight. Temperature gauge is starting to come up. There's your oil gauge down below. See it? It's a pretty decent truck. Truck out of Montana, so pretty dry pickup. Rockers need some work, but otherwise body's pretty straight and not a lot of rust. Gas gauge just under a quarter. There you can see the alternator, amp gauge working. So if you're looking for an affordable project, drive as is type truck, these short boxes are great investments, and they're this one has a C10 cab on it, so they put the cab on it at one time, just so you know we're right up front with everything. So, got any questions? Give me a call, 605-695-7391.